What's going on YouTube? GHA with another episode, and today this is the first actual fishing episode. So I got a stream in my backyard, and me and my brother and sister, so we dammed this stream off. So as we'll come down here, so we dammed this whole section off, as you can see down there. So we're gonna see what's in here. We stocked it. I came down here by myself and stocked it with some fish, and my brother, we stocked it with some big freaking fish, and we've gotten some serious rainstorms, so we dammed it off right there and dug it. So what we're just gonna see what we can catch out here. Just getting a little creek fit and micro, so just a little creek fishing. We got this little piece of I don't even know what, we got ripped it off a lure. So we're just gonna see what we can catch. If it don't work, then we're gonna switch to a freaking worm. But see someone. But thank you. If you guys could drop a comment down below if you want to see more of these videos. I know this is like one of the first, but let me know if you want to see it. And yeah, so come down here. Look at all those fish. You guys see that? Yo, you see those chubs swimming around? Alright, we're gonna need a worm. There's so many footprints up there. We might need a worm, guys. This thing's sinking a little too fast, but this is freaking crazy. Ever since I dammed it off, I've just been getting big fish just coming out of these little pockets and just eating whatever. But we're gonna have to go get a worm. So this fall there will be some hunting videos. We're gonna see how cold this water is. Okay, that shit's freaking cold. But yeah, let's see if we can find worms. We're gonna do some squirrel hunting. Right where they should be. A little worm. I'm just gonna use a little piece of him. I should do it. I don't know where I set this guy so he doesn't disappear, but it's all good. We'll just get another one. Fish do not like big worms when you're fishing stuff like this. So what you use is you use a little tiny worm, and that'll catch you just as much fish as anything. That worm go? Oh, there he is. Freaking spiders, dude. I'm ready for fall time. Alright, here we go. So what we do is we take a little piece off of him, like that. Run our hook through it like this. There we go. That'll catch us what we're looking for. So first we're going to be fishing this little current right here. So it goes all the way up right here. It's not very big, but I caught some really cool. I've caught a smallmouth out here, which is pretty cool. But we're going to see. Oh, it's getting hit. No, yo, we almost just had one. Shoot. Man, there's all up in there. Looks like a largemouth right there. Still got my worm. Sweet. Now we're gonna go try wherever I stocked because there's some seriously fun fish in here. There was a snapping turtle that washed in here from all the rain we got, but he's gone. It's kind of good because he was eating some bluegill that we put in here. All right. Little piece of worm. Well, actually, we also put a catfish in here too, so one catfish just to keep it clean. So, could catch a catfish. Little. They ain't one of these freaking worms, dude. I don't know what's going on. Raccoon prints all up in here. Holy crap, dude. This is freaking muddy. Alright, well. I'm gonna go try again over here. I think I just missed a bite hour. I'm not for sure. It's like 10 o'clock right now, so. I don't know where's that worm at? He should be like right here. Oh, yeah, I got him. Alright. So, I'm gonna rig him up. Rip a little piece. I'm using super micro hooks, like tiny hooks. They're like shell hooks or something like that. So, I got them at like Walmart. They were like $2, which is pretty cool. I've been wanting to do this video and just haven't had the time. I had school that started, so. But yeah, drop a comment down below if you guys like it. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, you get more awesome. No way, we got a fish. No way. No way. No, dude, he just came off. Dang. That's tough. We had a freaking fish on. If you guys seen that, I didn't feel like anything was on my line. Man. That was super close. Dude, they're all up in there. They're wanting to bite. Here, we got one. Dang. Alright, we're gonna try up here. No way. Instant. We got one. No, we got one. We got one. What is it? Alright, we got a fish, guys. See what he is. No way, what is that, I don't know what this is. Can you guys help me identify this fish? This ain't no trout. I don't think there's trout up this far where I live. Is this a shiner or something? Maybe a little tarpon mouth. Look at that. Help me identify this fish. Just comment down below, because I have no idea. So we're gonna get a release on him. Go release. Bam. Okay. So we got one fish. Man, that was freaking nuts. Dude, he came off as soon as I had it. Good thing it didn't hook his mouth, so. Yeah, we had one again. Oh my gosh. They're freaking biting. There he is. Oh no, that was big, dude. He coming off my hook. I have no idea what kind of species are in here. I know there's like smallmouth, largemouth. I caught a smallmouth the one day and was like, no way, that's a smallie, dude. We are getting freaking plowed, but yeah, I caught like a smallmouth, a largemouth, and like something else. Oh, someone got it. Got one. No, 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 it's a big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish. Got him. Got him. Whoo. We got a chub, guys. Whew. No freaking way. I'll set this rod down for a sec. Oh my gosh. We literally just got hammered. Freaking creek chub. Look at that. Little creek chub. Boom. That's freaking awesome. Alright. We're gonna try this again. See guys, like I said, you use a little freaking piece of worm. You'll catch anything. Like any little fish in your creek. Just go out to your neighborhood creek and you'll literally catch. Just put a rod in your car or whatever and you will freaking catch anything with a little hook and a piece of worm. Not even kidding. All the little fish. That was a good sized chub too. Holy crap. That's one. Oh no, he came off. I still got my worm? Yeah. Alright. Alright, we got like a tiny piece of worm. I might have to go get some worm. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna come right back to the spot. I just gotta go get some piece of worm. Yeah, there's fish all right there, dude. My gosh. Alright, I'm gonna grab us another worm. But yeah, guys, just get out and go fishing. I mean, it's fun. Get you out and you do something. Just great stuff, even whoever. But and we're catching fish right now at a little creek, so it's pretty fun. Because you never know what you're gonna catch in a little tiny creek like this. But I do have some updates for this. I will be doing a four-wheeler, Chinese four-wheeler build. And that's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to be building a Chinese four-wheeler. So I bought a $100 Chinese four-wheeler. And it's not really working. So, me and my dad fixed it. But it needs a little bit more fixing. I'm going to soup it up. I bet no one's seen this on YouTube. So it's going to be a Chinese four-wheeler build. I'm going to put LEDs, a light bar, cool underglow, and a bunch of freaking cool stuff like that. And some cool tires. Some bigger tires on it. So, stay tuned for that. Oh, are you serious? Dang. I just cast it over. I want to spook these fish. Alright. Alright. Now, let's see what else we can catch. Alright, they're not wanting anything. Right over there. I'm gonna try back over here again. Dude, that was freaking awesome. 2 fish in that little hole. There's some big bluegill we stocked in here, so let's see if we can catch one of those for you guys. And yeah. And a catfish. That'd be cool to catch a catfish out here. Show you guys that too. Oh, are you kidding me? Why is it so muddy right here? Oh, no way, dude. My line was taken off. Come on. Man. We freaking caught so many fish. But yeah, so many future awesome videos coming out soon. And everything. But I don't know exactly, like, what kind of fish are in here because it comes off of multiple areas. Oh, dude. Something's grabbing my freaking line. I swear, it keeps running. Oh, that's it. That's some. That's some. Got him. We got some. It's a little creek chub. In the fall time, these fish will get on their, so male fall fish, these fish will get horns on their head. And then when they get horns on their head, it tells you that they're a male. So the male, so this could be a female. But then, yeah, so quick release. Dude was ready to go. Let's see if we can catch those big chubs that I've seen in here. So I walked down here at like super nighttime, like 3 o'clock. Holy frick, that's a big frog. Could do a bullfrog video out of here. Alright. I mean, I've seen some freaking massive frogs, so if you guys want to see a bullfrog hunt and catch and cook, let me know. I've never personally tried bullfrog, frog legs, so. Man, dude, that was a cool fish. We gotta get it in like the perfect area. There we go. No way, it took my worm. No, they didn't. How the heck did it do that? Alright. We gotta go get another worm. Let's go. 3 fish today, so that's pretty cool. Camera's still recording? Alright, yeah, we're recording. Alright, where did that worm go? I dropped it right here. Alright, we're on a search for another worm. Because I can't find a worm, but. Yep. Alright, another worm time. go up here and see if we can get one. There ain't no worm. I dropped like a little piece of worm right here. I don't know where he went. I mean, that isn't, no. Okay, so we don't got a worm, but yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. I just wanted to do that, but I'll show, before I end off the video, I'll show you guys this little dam that I built. So we come over here. This is an idea that hit me because we kept on, like, there's just so many tiny fish that were reproducing in here that they weren't very big. So what we did is we built it pretty dang tall. You get over this right here. Look at all these little minnows swimming up and down. But, so I'll show you. So we come right here and we built this whole thing. All of this. And we used just rocks. All these rocks were underwater in the stream. So we built this so it survived so many rainfalls, but I do want to make this just a little bit deeper and stuff like that. But it's good for now. I get those little minnows swimming. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but these little minnow dudes swimming around. And yeah, so what I was using today is a proficiency little target rod. Actually pretty fun. It's my little creek rod I've been using for a little bit now. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and drop a comment down below of what videos you want to see me do. And yeah, see you in the next one. And keep fishing for the adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.